Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to bring back inactive chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've gone ahead and accidentally marked some chart of accounts as inactive in QuickBooks. How do you actually go ahead and bring those back? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your QuickBooks account. Then you're going to click on the button for the menu so it toggles down. Then highlight transactions and then click on chart of accounts. Once you click on chart of accounts, you want to click on this gear icon called settings. And then there's going to be a checkbox that says show inactive chart of accounts. Once you do that, it's going to show your inactive chart of accounts, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and show your inactive or bring back your inactive chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.